So triple camera setup has become a new and happening trend nowadays. It started with Huawei P20 Pro and now all the major smartphone makers are into it. OnePlus is definitely going to be a part of this batch and it's not surprising at all. When everybody is trying something good, how could OnePlus not be a part of that strategy? Now again, we are less than a month away from the flagship OnePlus 7 and we still need to know more about the device. So here it begins. Max from All About Samsung has some very reliable info about unreleased smartphones and he says the 7 Pro will have a 48 megapixel main lens, an 8 megapixel telephoto with 3 times optical zoom and f2.4 aperture. The third camera, which sounds more interesting, is a 16 megapixel ultra wide lens with f2.2 aperture and 117 degree field of view. This obviously looks good considering that OnePlus has always been known for the camera implementation and now the 7 Pro has a powerful hardware which is gonna use the software magic of this device to deliver the best experience. The only downside is its pricing, as all that stuff will increase numbers that could affect sales to some extent. We'll come to know about it in a few days. By the way, the OnePlus 7 Pro and 7 Pro 5G won't be different in terms of design and specifications. It's just that the 7 Pro 5G features 5G compatibility and that's good, as there are people who don't want an extra G, so they can go for the less expensive variant which has the same look and configuration. Also, OnePlus is going to bring the OnePlus 7 and 7 Pro to all of the major US carriers. It's official to some extent, as the company's official website shows job openings that do mention every US carrier. So it could be possible that the OnePlus 7 get more attention all because of an extra good availability and marketing. It's equally important for OnePlus to be a part of this strategy, as this time they're gonna deal with 3 different phones. These phones are already a part of production line and at this point it's just a start. Maybe they have something more special for the upcoming series. We'll definitely talk about that, as OnePlus is now the 5th most premium smartphone brand in the world, which is a big achievement. I really appreciate that, and for more info, Apple is in the lead with 51% market share, and then we have Samsung, Huawei, Oppo, and of course OnePlus. That said, for daily updates like this, you know what to do. Peace out.